Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have yet another unboxing. This is the item I'm going to unbox with you guys, and this is an exchange to my last unboxing, not from the same brand, but I returned that item twice. I'm going to talk about that, why I returned that, but let me unbox this first and show you guys what I got. Here is the box. And the fashion house I got this item from is Gucci. And wow, this is the receipt. And look at the packaging, guys. Is this their holiday packaging? I think this is their holiday packaging, if I'm not wrong. Look at that. Is it called a hologram, or I don't know, what is it? It's very shiny, and these are palm trees. Beautiful. And this is the gift tag, I think. Yeah, I think this is their holiday packaging. This is same as the bag, the shopping bag. And here is the package again. Let's unbox this one. Here is the box. This is not any special kind of box. This is just a regular box. Yeah, just a regular box. You can see. And I'm going to slide this out. Here is the box again. It's hard to take out the lid. Here is the packaging. Here is the dust bag, regular dust bag. And to reveal, ta-da! I got the Rajah mini purse in the color red. I don't have anything in red, and I wanted a red color for a very long time. And finally I got this one. This is not that expensive. I mean, for Gucci it's not that expensive. And this is the perfect lipstick red or brick red. Yeah, so this is the one I got. This is just a one piece of leather. You can see there is no stitching like this speed is. You can see there is no stitching. Just a single piece of leather all around. And I think this strap is removable, if I'm not wrong, so you can carry this as clutch as well. Let me show you the details. Look at that. What is that? Tiger? I think tiger. And let me open this and show you the inside. So here are the cards, care cards, I think in the different languages. I got 3 of them. And this is my, I don't know what is this, but some card. And here is the inside. Wait, let me take this out. Here is the inside. It feels like velvety material, ivory color. And there is the key fob. And there are two card slots. You can see. Here is the strap, guys. Golden strap. And it feels nice. It has nice weight to it. Not heavy, but yeah, it feels good. Yeah, so this is the strap, and let me bring my phone so that I can check if my phone can fit inside or not. So let me get my phone. Yeah, everything looks good, guys. I think I'm going to keep this. I don't see any defect or anything or any imperfection, so I'm going to keep this one. Yeah, everything looks fine. So here is my phone, which is iPhone XR, and let's see if it can fit inside. No, it doesn't fit. It doesn't fit inside, guys. If you see like this, then you may think that your phone will fit, but since they have these leathers, it doesn't fit inside. If you put your phone corner to corner, it may fit, but it's hard to fit your phone. So your phone will not fit inside. You have to hold it always in your hand or in your pocket. Oh wait, it fits, guys, but I don't like that. I don't like to stretch my bags. You can see right there, it fits, but again you can see the bulge on the side. So I don't like to do that to my bags. So I'm not going to put my phone inside. Instead, I'm going to, whenever I will carry this bag, I'm going to hold it on my hand. And by the way, I think this, you can remove this key fob. You can see right there. Let me try to take this out. Yeah, you can remove the key fob. So let me tell you why I returned the Louis Vuitton bag, my Mylockme chain Pochette. So after unboxing that bag, I noticed that the snake skin has some white patches. Let me show you if I can in my phone. You can't see really in the camera, but with naked eyes you can see them clearly, and I didn't like that, so I returned it to the store. Then I came back home and I ordered another one from the online store, and with that one the flap from the lock was not opening properly. I mean, it was not opening at all. You have to press the bag to open the flap. So when you turn the lock and try to open the flap was sticking to the lock. I have a clip of that. I'm going to insert right now so that you guys can see what I am talking about. Unlock. It's just sticking to this part. Look, I can't deal with this, guys. I have to return this. It's so hard. When you press this, it's opening. I'll show you the leather. There you go. But when you try to open, it's not. Do you see that? I'm trying so hard. Finally. So I think I'm going to return this because I can't deal with that, guys. I love this bag, and this is not available online anymore, so I don't think I can find it anymore. I may exchange this with all leather one, maybe the pink or the red one, but this is going back. I am really sad. That was too much for me, guys. Like, you have to open your bag all the time, and if you have to like struggle with opening the flap when you need something from your bag, that is totally a no for me, guys. I can't handle that. So what I did, I just returned that and I said enough is enough. Let me take a break from that bag, and instead I got this one, which I just unboxed for you guys. yeah, so that is the reason why I returned that bag. And unfortunately, if you are waiting for any review or what's in my bag with that bag, I can't do that because I don't have it anymore, so I can't do those videos. But I'm going to do what's in my bag and review for this bag because I don't see any defect, so I'm going to keep this bag. At least I don't see any defect or any imperfection now. I don't know if I'll find later, but I don't see any. Yeah, so that was the story with my Mylockme chain pochette. So that's it for this unboxing, guys, and this is the Gucci holiday packaging, if you are wondering. And here is the receipt. Let me open and show you what is inside. So this is just a card from Gucci, and here is the return policy, and here is the return label. Yeah, so that's it for this unboxing. I hope you liked this unboxing. If you did, please give me a like, and please don't forget to click that subscribe button. That means a lot to me. Thanks again for watching this video, and see you again in my next one. Bye.